Four Seasons at Bora Bora. Best place in the world. Best hotel in the world. Yeah, those are some of the overwater villas. Mount Motu Tehotu, 727 meters. Alright. Makes this the most beautiful place in the world. Alrighty. Let's go for a walk around the resort. So when you get here, it's the main entrance to the resort, just there. Some jet skis parked there. Let's look the other way. Okay. Four Seasons Hotel in Bora Bora. Best hotel in the world. Most beautiful place in the world. That's enough said, I think, on that subject. Yeah. So it's a 15-minute boat ride from Bora Bora Airport, which is another, just, if you're gonna come here, right? It's another 40-minute flight from Tahiti. That's the place. Four Seasons Resort Bora Bora. I'll be absolutely honest with you this time, I'm having a very bad day, alright? I'm having a really bad day. But that is not going to stop me recording my travels. And it's none of your business why I'm having a very bad day. Reception through there. Great, beautiful. It's people who make hotels, not the other way around. Alright? It's people like me that make the Four Seasons. That I'm having a bad day, it's my problem. So I'll do my best. Try and give you a good tour of what I've always said is the best hotel in the world. Alright? And it has nothing to do with the fact that England were knocked out of the Cricket World Cup last night. I was sitting in the room watching, yeah, which way should we go? Hey baby, come over here. Go this way. Show me heaven. Yorana. Yeah, it's a local language, Yorana. So it's like, yeah, the geography of the island. Bonjour. The geography of the island is that big mountain there, Mount Tehotu. Enough of the moaning, alright? We'll do this properly. Mount Tehotu, that's the main sort of center island, 727 meters altitude, and then there's an like an atoll kind of a rim, a circumference of a circle, all the way around that the Four Seasons are built on, which is this. Just up there is the Pacific Ocean, yeah? I'll show you. So I'm staying at one of those water bungalows, that's where we'll finish the tour. Here they've got like, a few like kind of bars and restaurants and so on. You know, for dinner and drinks and so on. Down there. Because it's the Four Seasons, right? Look at, there's a path. Look at the grass on either side. It's perfectly, it's like going for a manicure or a pedicure, right? We're talking about nature. Hey baby, na 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 na. Let's practice my singing there. Because we're in a very remote part of the world. No qualms about making a fool of myself. Because I can do anything I like. Sunset bar. Right there. There's a restaurant through there. Yes, this sort of bar and restaurant area. That was breakfast this morning. Brixton there. It's coming to Happerston in the morning, and it feels. That's the main pool. La piscine, they say in French. Superb, yeah. The flip-flop noise is the flip-flops that I'm wearing. Yeah, it's the main pool. Those flip-flops. And this is Bora Bora. Well, actually, that mountain there is Bora Bora. And that coconut tree is also quite nice. So the feet is wet, albeit with flip-flops. Hey baby. Yeah, I shouldn't have seen the same song. The song is Tom Cruise is my favorite actor. The song is Maria Maki Show Me Heaven. I was just sitting on YouTube early this morning. Listen to songs. What do you do on holiday? Anyway, I make these videos for me, so what the hell I like. The world is how I remember it. Take it or leave it, yeah? It's a democracy. You vote for who you like. I don't ask anybody to vote for me. I'll make this video as I see fit. Four Seasons Hotel in Bora Bora. And it's a pleasure to be here. Hi.
Hello, sir.
How you doing, mate?
Good?
Good, good. It's the main pool. And it feels divine. That's another word in that, in the phrase in that song. Certainly does. So look out here. There's all these like inland lagoons and waterways. But so just gonna walk the Pacific Ocean now, yeah? We don't have to, but we will. Yeah, we just gone past all the restaurants and bars there. A little lagoon there. Yeah. So basically, to come here from, let's just the global travel hubs in the world. Okay, let's London, New York City, Singapore, Dubai. All right. I got on 4 aeroplanes to come here. All right. I could have done 3, but there's Singapore to Brisbane, Brisbane to Auckland, Auckland to Tahiti, Tahiti here. All right. Now you got all the best resorts in the world: Four Seasons, St. Regis, Intercontinental, and their signature location is this. Yeah. Beautiful, huh? And even from a place like Singapore, you have to four airplanes, yeah? Boeing make the 787, Airbus make the A350. The rationale behind that is passengers want to get from A to B without connecting, yeah, fine. But it still takes 3 airplanes to get from a global travel hub It's the most beautiful place in the world. The rationale behind the A3 was slightly different, right? Because Boeing were profiting from the 747. They were using profits from the 747 to undermine Airbus. So that if you want to come and have a look at that, you have to pay Boeing $10. That's what, so Airbus made the A380. So they took a slice of the cake. Yeah. So competition is always a good thing. It's in a very remote part of the world. I'll show you the Pacific Ocean, South Pacific. Yeah, I said I'm having a very bad day, yeah? Shit happens. I also said people make hotels, not hotels make people. Alright? So people like me make the Four Seasons chain, alright? And that's the truth, boys and girls. Lovely being here. I'll show you the Pacific Ocean. Yeah, these guys Four Seasons really know how to make hotels. Beautiful. It's one surprise after another. I don't know if you saw that Eddie Murphy film, 48 Hours. I am having a very bad day. I've been shot at, been flipped over in a bus 17 times, etc., etc. Yeah. Sometimes the truth comes out, like in a place like this, yeah? Just totally at home with yourself. Yeah, it's just the most beautiful place in the world, alright? I'm not going to say that 5 times, but it is. And the truth comes out. And you also learn a bit about yourself. On this holiday, yeah, I'm just going to show you the Pacific Ocean, right? On this holiday, to show my face, right? It's safe. On this holiday, 1 week, it's French Polynesia and the Cricket World Cup in Australia. I was staying in that overwater bungalow last night. They don't show the Cricket World Cup here. Bangladesh beat England at cricket, alright? What language do I speak? I speak English, alright? Bangladesh knocked England out of the Cricket World Cup yesterday. Maybe we should all convert to Islam and, I don't know, well, Arabic, yeah? Why not? Grass is green everywhere in the world. So is a leaf. Anyway. Pacific Ocean on the other side of the Four Seasons Resort at Bora Bora. When we get to the room, we are actually at the Four Seasons Bora Bora. That's the room card. We get to the room. I'll show you the map on my iPhone 6 Plus. But this is what it looks like out here, boys and girls and children, pet dogs, pet cat, elephants in Sri Lanka, the hippos in Africa, the tourists on boats chased by crocodiles in Northern Territory, Australia, anything that converts oxygen to carbon dioxide. This is the Pacific Ocean at the Four Seasons Hotel in Bora Bora, and I'm having a very bad day. So it looks like. So like when planes crash, you know, people go on holidays and travel, right? I do. Like pretty much every month, yeah? When a plane goes down in the ocean, yeah, the question is, when do people lose consciousness? Yeah, because last year we had oh dear, MH370. Yeah, that was just sad. I mean, the jury is still out. Nobody knows what the hell happened to that plane. All right. We also had MH17. That was shot down by bloody communists in Russia. Yeah. Yeah. Anyway, the Saudis and the Americans have colluded to deal with the oil price, and you see what's happening to Russia. I said I'm having a bad day, yeah? In the history of humanity, I think that the world has got better and better and better. Over time, lies and evil never persist. Goodness always prevails. And for that, you have to thank the goodness in the hearts of people, human beings, yeah? I think we're fundamentally good people. You saw the Pacific Ocean. The sparge to the right. Yeah. I think human beings are fundamentally good people. Yeah? That means you boys and girls, we're good people. Alright? Human beings are good people. Who am I to say that? I'm a doctor for a start, right? So it's my job to know when there's something wrong with somebody, alright? So I'll tell you, human beings are good people. Of that, there is no doubt in my mind. Which way do we come? Alright, the only thing I want to show you now is the room. We might be backtracking, but it's my loss as much as it is yours. Yeah. So human beings are good people, right? And you know when you go to church, yeah, on a Sunday morning, and the guy stands up there, you know, you don't have to be Christian, right? Every religion is the same as far as I'm concerned. Guy stands up there and preaches to you, yeah? That is what this place is. Four Seasons in Bora Bora, Four Seasons Hotel, right? It is a religion in itself. It's just the most beautiful place in the world. That's the 6th time I've said it. I'll say it 10 times if you want me to. Restaurants and bars. That's the way. Yeah, we are backtracking. Anyway, who cares? It's just a bloody video, innit? Come here anytime I want to. That's why we come here. I'm still thinking to myself, why am I having a very bad day? It's difficult to know, yeah? Small things get stuff in motion. How beautiful is that? That's your Facebook photo. Like this. If that's your Facebook photo, would it make a difference if you have 50 fewer friends or not? Or just that you took that photo and you were actually here? That sounds arrogant. Then you're dishonest. Alright, let's backtrack and yeah, I don't like Facebook. I don't like Twitter. I think social media, it destroys. Basically, you can be a monkey or you can be a sheep, right? Social media makes you the same. I don't agree with that. You know, a sheep is very different to a monkey. It's like saying what's the difference between a beach here and a beach somewhere else, yeah? There's a lot of differences. But yeah, anyway. Like I said, I make these videos for me. I'll say what I want, I'll do what I want. And once in your... Sometimes you do have bad days. Right, we're going to cut this video. We're going to go to my overwater villa. Finish the video. We are backtracking here, I'm sorry. See the same thing twice. It's to myself that I have to walk the same path twice. If I don't like the video, I'll just come back here. Maybe in a few months. Just hang out here again. Not a big deal, is it? Yeah. The water villas are about 1,500 US a night. For aeroplanes, probably about what, $2,000 US a night. You can do it once, you can do it twice, yeah. I'm not going to use a zoom function. Just told me to walk this way. That's Aerosmith. Both of the gardens of the Four Seasons at Bora Bora. Yeah, people get up to all kinds of fucking stupid things, yeah. That's called bad language. Alrighty. So we start, I think, just at the reception. 20 minutes. 25 minutes. Let's walk around the Four Seasons Resort in Bora Bora. That's the king. Walk this way, talk this way. Aerosmith, love in an elevator. La 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 la. Yeah. I think there was actually a good question somebody asked. I don't know if it was Allergy or Donald Trump. Got asked on some TV channel, what is the thing that people love the most? Alright? What is the thing that people love the most? I think one guy said ice cream and the other guy said music. Ice cream or music? What do you love the most? Ice cream or music, huh? I'll tell you what I love. A bottle of water right now. Ice cream or music, okay? What do people love the most? It's actually a fundamental question to humanity. What do you love the most? Ice cream or music, eh? I prefer Volvic to Evian. All those tennis players, they drink Evian, yeah? I think Volvic is much nicer. You ask me what is better, ice cream or music? Music. I hate ice cream. It's absolutely disgusting, you know? Ice cream. Who eats ice cream? Music. Show me heaven. Yeah. That's Maria McKee. So listening to this morning. So I like music over ice cream. And I can't wait to get back into that room and polish off some Volvic. Yeah. Bora Bora, Four Seasons. Like I said, people are entitled to have bad days, alright? Bonjour. Yeah. Best thing to do is just speak in French, right? If you're unsure, just speak in French. Bonjour, bonsoir. Comment vous appelez-vous? Yeah. When was the last time you saw that walking down to your grocery shop? Coconut tree on a beach surrounded by water, and the water looks like that blue. I came here, boom, boom, shake the room. I was walking to the water bungalow. Speed up, people are catching up with me. I really am having a bad day. Even people are walking faster than me. God damn. Yeah. So I was just checking the number 115. Alright. Oh yeah, that's where you get ice. Yeah. So you get ice, yeah? Mine's the first one on the left. Kiara, Kiara, do you adore her? Yeah, so you get ice. You can do some washing in there as well, laundry, yeah. Holiday to wash your clothes. Yeah, it's just the water bungalow. That one there, that's mine. The next hotel is St. Regis on this, at this circumference land around Mr. Mount Economanu, 727 meters. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. 727 meters is easy to say. Let's go in this one, eh? Can't see it properly because sun. Four Seasons Bora Bora. Who's seen the film Coming to America? Open the door, man. Right, we'll do that again. Alright, messed it up. Try that again, okay? Green light, alright? Hey, my mom's inside. Hello. Try that again. That's Tamil, by the way. The green light comes on. Thanks. What are you doing? In the toilet, right? Anyway. Yeah. That's so I'm fluent in more than one language. That means, can you open the door, please? Yeah, I just mentioned Eddie Murphy on Coming to America. Open the door, man. Because they switch suitcases in the train. You know that? Open the door, man. Anyway, that's yeah, Bora Bora. Yeah, seen that? Yeah. Yep, I will never forget this place. Yeah, I'll tell you why. My favorite sport in the world is cricket. And you can't even get decent cigarettes when you come here. What's this JSP rubbish? My favorite sport in the world is cricket, right? That sofa, I was sitting there last night, right? England got kicked out of the Cricket World Cup last night. I was sitting there on that laptop. BBC News. On the internet, you can, they've got live stuff, not streaming, but live stuff of the cricket. England are out of the Cricket World Cup. I've got a ticket for England versus Afghanistan on Friday in Sydney, yeah? It's like 4 days away. It's a dead rubber. Yeah, this is the place after being up for a day. Why are you combing your hair at this time? Anyway, yeah. People can do it like. Yeah, it's bedroom. Yeah. My red bag. I think there's another video of this room on put up on YouTube. Wow, where's the Volvic? All right, this one. Best water in the world. How you doing? I just walked around for 20 minutes and made a YouTube video. Thanks for watching, bye. That's why we come here.